Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm just out in the National Forest stage doing some videos. Several videos actually. And one of the videos I wanted to go over was this sciatic nerve support supplement. Now they reached out to me through email and they asked me if I'd be willing to do a video, and I initially thought no, because I try to stick to a simple rule, and that is it's gotta be outdoor. But I thought on it, and I thought, well, you know, I think we can all agree that being in pain sucks. Especially if you've ever injured or hurt your sciatic nerve, it sucks. It really can kick your ass. I mean, I've had mine hurt to the point where, and all I would do, I just was sitting on the edge of my couch, and I was pulling my socks on, and somehow I must have just tweaked it just right. I couldn't even bend over without like yelping out in pain. So it just hurt to move, it hurt to walk, it hurt to sit, it hurt to do anything. So I've been taking these every morning, and I've noticed that the like the joints don't really hurt as much. You get 60 these per bottle, and I'll link all the description with the Amazon link so you can go check it out. You know, so yeah, I've been noticing that, you know, the joints you know, it's not like it took the pain away, but it eased up on it. It made it a little easier to walk. You know, the hips made it, you know, the hips didn't, you know, have that little bit of twinge of, you know, I wouldn't say it was pain, but it was like discomfort, and it eased up on the discomfort. Now, I only took one every morning, so I actually forgot to check to see how many were required a day, but I only took one, and it seemed to help. So if sciatic nerve pain is something that you have to deal with, and I totally sympathize, maybe this is a product that you might want to look into. Oh, you're supposed to take 2 a day. Okay, so it's a 30-day supply. I actually only took one, and it did help a little bit. So if I was taking 2, it might have helped more. I guess I should have read the bottle. But even with the one, I mean, it did help noticeably. Well, noticeably as in, you know, I didn't notice it as much. So yeah, I'll put it in the description if you want to go check it out. Now, as I said, I don't typically, I try not to do things non-outdoor, but you know, when you're out here, you don't want to be in discomfort while you're out here doing your thing. Whether it's day trip like I'm doing today, or you're doing a overnighter, or having to hanging in a hammock, or trying to learn how to speak, or just tent camping, or just, you know, maybe you're just out doing photography or something, you're walking around taking pictures, you know, like you're walking over uneven ground. It's like, you know, sometimes I'll get home and sometimes my hips will hurt a little bit just from all the uneven walking. So it's something you might want to check out. Of course, link will be in the description if you're interested, or you know someone who needs it. Maybe you can throw them the link and go, hey, you know, check out this product. It might help you out a little bit. So all right, well, anyway, I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.